Gentlemen, if you've ever wondered how to transform your rough and unruly beard into a soft and stylish masterpiece, you've come to the right place. Achieving a soft and manageable beard isn't just about luck or genetics, it's about mastering a set of proven techniques that can turn your beard game up a notch. In this video, we're going to delve into 6 beard softening techniques that will change the way you approach beard care. Each of these techniques is like a powerful argument in the debate for a softer beard, and we're here to break down each point step by step. But before we jump into the details, let's lay the groundwork by exploring the importance of some foundational beard care practices. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge and skills to make your beard the envy of everyone around you. Proper beard care begins with fundamental practices that set the stage for a soft and healthy beard. These practices create the necessary foundation for the effectiveness of the techniques we'll discuss later in this video. In short, an amazing beard rests on a foundation of cleanliness, proper drying technique, detangling, and hydration. This is the canvas upon which other techniques work their magic, enhancing softness and manageability. You'll appreciate the difference in your beard's softness and cleanliness by incorporating regular washing, proper drying, detangling, and hydration into your routine. With the basics in place, let's move on to our first beard softening technique. Technique 1. Proper beard washing. The foundation of a soft and healthy beard starts with cleanliness. It's not just about getting rid of the day's grime, it's about creating the ideal environment for your beard to thrive. Use a dedicated beard wash. Regular shampoos can strip away natural oils your beard needs to stay soft and healthy. After washing, gently pat your beard dry with a towel to avoid damage and frizz. Treat it like the prized possession it is. Regular washing sets the stage for the effectiveness of the techniques we'll discuss later in this video. With our beard freshly washed, let's move on to the next technique in our journey to a softer beard. Technique 2. Beard conditioning. Conditioning is where the real magic happens. It's the secret to maintaining moisture and ensuring your beard stays soft and manageable. Choose a beard conditioner with natural ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, or aloe vera. These ingredients are excellent for softening and moisturizing. Regular conditioning provides the hydration and nourishment your beard needs to thrive. Applying beard conditioner correctly is crucial to maximize its benefits. First, wash your beard with a mild cleanser to remove dirt and oils. After rinsing, lightly pat your beard with a towel to remove excess water. Now, take a small amount of beard conditioner in your palm. Rub your hands together to evenly distribute the conditioner. Gently work it into your beard, ensuring to cover from the roots to the tips. Use your fingers to massage it into the skin beneath your beard, promoting healthy skin and hair growth. Leave the conditioner in for a few minutes to allow deep penetration. Finally, rinse thoroughly with cool water. This not only removes excess conditioner, but also seals in moisture, leaving your beard soft and well hydrated. With your beard well conditioned, let's proceed to the next technique on our journey to a softer, more luxurious beard. Technique 3. Brushing and combing. This is a crucial step in maintaining not just the appearance but also the health of your beard. Investing in a good quality beard brush or comb is essential. It's not just for style, it's for beard health. Here's why. Beard brushing or combing serves several purposes. Firstly, it helps distribute the natural oils produced by your skin throughout your beard. This prevents dryness, reduces frizz, and adds a natural sheen to your beard. Secondly, it's an effective way to detangle your beard. Tangles can lead to breakage, and nobody wants that. Regular brushing or combing keeps your beard smooth and knot-free. Thirdly, it helps train your beard to grow in the desired direction. If you're going for a specific style, brushing or combing can guide your beard hair to cooperate. In essence, beard brushing or combing is more than just aesthetics. It's a fundamental practice for maintaining a soft, healthy, and well-behaved beard. With your beard well-groomed and tangle-free, let's proceed to the next technique. Technique 4. Using beard oils. Beard oils are like liquid gold for your facial hair, and they play a crucial role in softening and nourishing your beard. When it comes to beard oils, the right choice can make all the difference. Look for beard oils with natural ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, or grapeseed oil. These oils provide deep conditioning, reduce itchiness, and promote softness. We made a video about our recommended picks for the best organic beard oils. Link will be in the description. Beard oils also moisturize the skin underneath, which is essential for preventing dryness and flakiness. To apply beard oil, simply add a few drops to your palm, Rub your hands together and then massage it into your beard and the skin beneath. Incorporating beard oil into your grooming routine can make your beard feel softer, look shinier, and be more manageable. With your beard well nourished and moisturized, let's move on to the next technique. Technique 5. Beard Balm. Beard Balm is a secret weapon in your grooming arsenal, offering a unique set of benefits for a softer, well-maintained beard. To make the most of beard balm, it's crucial to choose the right one. Look for beard balms with natural ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or beeswax. These components provide deep moisturization, promote softness, and offer a light hold to tame your beard. Beard balms also work as a styling aid, helping you shape your beard and keep it looking sharp throughout the day. To apply beard balm, scoop out a small amount, warm it between your palms, and then work it through your beard, making sure to distribute it evenly. By incorporating a high-quality beard balm into your routine, you can enhance the softness, style, and overall health of your beard. Check out the description for our recommended beard balms. With your beard well balmed and styled, let's proceed to the final technique. Technique number 6. Regular trimming. Properly maintaining your beard is essential for keeping it soft, manageable, and in top shape. Regular trimming ensures that your beard remains neat and free from split ends, which can contribute to a rough texture. It's important to invest in a high-quality beard trimmer or scissors for precise grooming. Trimming also allows you to shape your beard according to your preferences, creating a polished and soft look. When trimming, start with a longer setting and gradually adjust to achieve your desired beard length. By incorporating trimming and regular maintenance into your beard care routine, you'll ensure that your beard remains soft, well-kept, and always on point. With these 6 proven techniques in your beard care arsenal, you should be well equipped to transform your beard into a softer, more luxurious masterpiece. We've explored 6 essential techniques from proper washing to maintenance, all designed to make your beard softer, healthier, and more manageable. The impact of these techniques goes beyond just appearance. A soft beard enhances your confidence and leaves a lasting impression. Remember, a great beard doesn't just happen, it's a result of the right care and the right products. Each technique we've discussed plays a vital role in achieving beard perfection. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying a softer, more luxurious beard. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical grooming tips. Share your beard care experiences and any products you swear by in the comments below. We always love to hear from you. Until next time, keep those beards looking sharp, well nourished, and as soft as can be.